Assalamu alaikum students. I am your Evs-I teacher SANIYA RANGREJ. Today we will study Evs-I. So first of all, I want to say that you should maintain a notebook for Evs-I activity or homework. So we will start lesson number 1, our Earth and our solar system. So here the content of chapter includes stars, planets, the solar system, satellites, dwarf planets, asteroids, and gravity. We will study on all these topics. First of all, let me clear that heavenly bodies are stars and planets, and other heavenly bodies in solar system are satellites, dwarf planet, and asteroids. So now first, stars. The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars, and stars have their own light. You can see the image. Do you know, students, the sun is a star and it is closer to us than any of the other stars. Hence it appears big and brilliant. In its bright light during the day, we cannot see the other stars. Now here comes the planets. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Planets do not have their light of their own. Now you must be thinking that if planets are not having light of their own, then from where they get light? So let me clear you that planets get light from the stars. Now you can see the image which is displayed. There are the names of the planets. Good. Now we will move forward. The solar system. Our Earth is a planet. Everybody knows it. It gets its light from the sun. It moves around the sun. Its movement around the sun is called the revolution of the Earth. Do you know, students, that beside Earth there are 7 other planets that revolve around the sun, and they are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. In Hindi, we say Mercury as Budh, Venus as Shukra, Earth, Prithvi, Mars, Mangal, Jupiter, Bruhaspati, Saturn, Shani, Uranus, Arun, and Neptune is Varun. Every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun along a specific path. This path is known as the planet's orbit. You can see the image and study the image. There you see the orbital plane. We can see all the planets with sun. Now, planet orbit. Students, the sun, which is a star, and the planets that revolve around it are together called solar system. And beside planet, solar system also include various other heavenly bodies. So now, other heavenly bodies in the solar system. Number first, we will study about its satellite. Satellite. Some heavenly bodies revolve around planets. These are called satellites. Satellites to get their light from the sun. You can see the image. The images of the moon as seen on a full moon night. Most of the planets in the solar system have satellites, and the planets revolve around the sun along with their satellites. Now comes dwarf planet. Now what is this dwarf planet? There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. They are called dwarf planet. Of this, the most well known is Pluto. Dwarf planets revolve independently around the sun, and they have an orbit of their own. In Hindi, Pluto is known as Bona Graha because it's very small. Now, we will study about asteroids. What are asteroids? Between the planets Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. They are called asteroids. You can see between Mars and Jupiter in this figure, here are asteroids. This is Mars, this is Jupiter. The dot is asteroids. This one in the middle. Compared to the sun, other heavenly bodies are much smaller in solar system. The moon is closest to the earth, that is, it appears to be so big, but actually it is very much smaller than sun. Observe the diagram. You can see the sun in the center and the heavenly bodies revolve around it. They orbit. Planets, satellites, dwarf planet, and asteroid are all parts of the solar system. I think you would have understood what I have explained shortly. So, now you can see here this image. So, what you have to do, I have told you all to make a notebook of EVS part 1. Observing this diagram, you have to see and answer all these questions and write the question plus answers in your notebook. The second part of this chapter will be in next video. Thank you.